everybody. I hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. Today, I'm going to cook some pigs in blankets, and then I've also got a gherkin in a blanket as well, which I've never tried before. So I thought I'd give that a whirl. There's gherkins, Tesco's. Some ingredients there. And I'm also going to cook a couple of eggs in a pan. These are going in a basket, which is going to go in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And I might place them on a brioche bun, or I've got another panini there, so it'll be one or the other. I've got some still got not a lot of cheese, but I've got not a lot of cheese and a bit of black pudding still in there as well. So I'm going to incorporate all them into that. So yeah, it's probably likely to be, I don't know, we'll see how it pans out. Right, pan. So there they all are, gherkin in the middle. They're going in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 200. 10 minutes, there you go. That's doing that. Get this pan on. Bit of butter on low. Right, get a couple of eggs in there. There's one. Oh, going to be a running one there. And a bit of shell. Quality. Right. That's doing that, that's doing that. Back in the fridge. Yep, still on. Squeaky cupboard still. A bit of light might be good. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Cooking. Oh, that's helpful. It's going to have to be the panini. Over a bit that way. That's it, get a bit of butter on that. Oh yeah. It's looking nice. Soak up some of that butter with that. Over that side. So I'm just going to put the panini in the air fryer just to crisp up a little bit. At 240 for about 4 minutes. Okay, so panini looks cooked, crispy, bit of melted cheese on there. And to that, I think I'm probably going to put the egg on it if I can get it out. I'm throwing it everywhere. There's the egg. There you go, that's a bit better. Right. There's a pig in blanket. There's another pig in blanket. There's 1, 2. Get that on there. Bit black pudding in the middle. Oh, this one's falling apart a bit. Be all right though. Another bit of that. And this is the gherkin. The gherkin sausage bacon. Let's see if I can cut that in half. Hopefully it will behave for me. Oh. There you go, the bacon, gherkin, the chef brown sauce from Ireland. With the black pudding. Just sprinkle a bit of pepper on it. Bit of pepper. And then we've got the other bit of buttered. Go on top. And if you're worried about it being in scale, there's a banana to get it in scale for you. That's something different, never tried that before. There you go, gherkin, bacon, black pudding, egg, all in there. Give it a go. Oh. Thanks you all for watching the videos, subscribing, sharing, commenting. It's yeah, it's really good. Enjoying it. Brilliant. So yeah. And gherkin in bacon. Never tried that before. Something different. So I see that people want some beans in there as well. Beans and tomatoes. Yeah. I'll be getting some of them in there. Need to get some from the shops. And I'll get that done. Right. Maybe some mushrooms as well. Everyone loves mushrooms, don't they? Apart from the people that don't, obviously. But yeah. Depends if you're a fun guy or not. Enjoy your day, people. Bye-bye.